All of these UGC videos were generated using Google's latest Omni model, and all I did was type a single prompt into Claude and it built the full video for me. Today, I'm sharing every prompt and all of the Claude skills that make this possible. And all I ask in return is for you to drop a like on this video. The tool behind all of this is called Maxfusion. They just released an MCP, meaning now you can connect it directly to Claude and create everything just by chatting. Not only that, once you install this MCP, you get multiple Claude skills automatically installed, ones that let you create these stunning UGC videos from just a single prompt. I'll show exactly how that's done in a minute, but now let's install the MCP into Claude. And I'll leave a link for Maxfusion in the description below. Once you log in, go to settings and click MCP. Copy this URL, click Claude settings, enter a name. You can go with Maxfusion, paste the URL right here, then just click connect. And that's it. Now you can literally just drop a prompt into Claude and get a full UGC video done. To make things even better, I designed a custom prompts for the 12 most popular UGC video formats. I also built each prompt with a selector for the video generation model you want to use. For this one, I'm going to use Google's Omni model. And if you're not sure how to describe your product properly, just drop your product image into Claude and ask it to write an in-depth description for you. Now let's just take any of these prompts, drop it into Claude, fill in your product details in the brackets, or you can just skip your product details entirely and just drop your product image and that's it. By the way, all of these prompts are in the description below. All right, 5 minutes later, we get a full video ready.
Okay, so this top is literally so soft. It's a cropped crew neck with this slightly boxy, relaxed fit, and I love the raw hem on the sleeves and the bottom.
All right, so this Omni model is actually sick. The way she talks about the product generally sounds like a real person. It even added this natural cut on its own, but this is barely scratching the surface of what Maxfusion and Claude MCP can actually do. When you installed this MCP into Claude, you got this Vox style creation skill automatically enabled as well, meaning I can just drop in my product image and type in something like, here is my product image for the Vox style ad. I want to use this shampoo bottle as the hero product, and just click send. And Claude is going to ask me some questions. First, is this video going to be a faceless or mascot? I'm gonna go with faceless for this one. Next, do I want to chain the clips with the last frame continuity? 100%, I want a continuous flow. Simple or complex mode? Obviously, we're going with complex. For narrator voice, I'm going with female, and for format, I'll go with vertical. So in a few minutes, Claude creates the entire video outline. We can see the script right here, the actual product outline, which is the visual that's going to be created. And before you generate videos, you can edit this however you want, just by chatting with Claude. But in my case, I'm gonna approve this just to see what comes up. All right, so we got the first clip generated and Claude's extracting the frame and generating the second clip. And we get all the clips ready. Now, all I need to do is save them to my computer, stitch them together in my editing software, and here is the final video ready.
Frizzy mornings, dry ends, dull shine by noon, your hair's crying out for help. It's time for a reset. Meet the bottle changing everything. Nourishing formula, zero harsh sulfates.
Yeah, that's genuinely crazy. Just imagine how much time and money it would have cost you to make something like this before. And now you can do this for any product you want. It could be software, an app, a hoodie, all just by chatting with Claude, as long as you have Maxfusion MCP connected. Because again, it already comes with all of these skills built in. Now, let's say I want the same video just featuring a character. So I'm gonna type this. I want another version of this ad with a mascot character on screen instead of faceless. All right, so Claude is going to ask whether I want to upload an image of an existing character or if I wanted to create one for me. Now, you can create your own character using GPT Image 2, but for this one, I'm just gonna let it create one for me. So after it generates the mascot image, we move forward and generate the full video again. In less than 5 minutes, it creates all of the clips. So I saved them, stitched them together again in the editing software, and here is the final result.
Frizzy mornings, dry ends, dull shine by noon, your hair's crying out for help. It's time for a reset. Meet the bottle changing everything.
Wow, it actually added this shampoo bottle in a very clean, seamless way into the video as well. And now instead of just a faceless video, we get an upgrade with a mascot. Just imagine how many different creatives you can generate using this format. It just blows my mind. Now, let's say I wanted to put the same product into a authentic style talking head UGC format. This format could be used when replying to comments. It's a very strong UGC strategy and it gives you unlimited content ideas. The full workflow on how to create this format for your product is going to be in the description down below, together with everything else. So all I need to do is take this character prompt first and adjust it the way I want by filling in my details in the brackets. Once I have that ready, I take this master video generation prompt and drop it into Claude. Insert my character description prompt right here, and then adjust my own details for each scene right here. You can pause to see how I describe everything in detail and use the same format for your own video. Claude asked me to describe my product or just send a product image, so I'm just going to drop in the product image instead, and in less than 10 minutes we get all of our scenes ready. Now again, I just save them to my computer, stitch them together in my editing software, and here is the final video.
Okay, wait, I live in this building and someone stopped me in the elevator to ask what shampoo I use because they said my hair smelled so good. So I have to finally show you guys. This is literally the one I've been using every wash.
Now, what I love about this workflow is how consistent the voice and the actual character stays between the clips. And this format can be used for organic content on TikTok or Instagram too, just by replying to a comment with a video. The reason I love using Maxfusion is that now not only can you generate UGC videos by chatting with Claude, you can also find the top performing videos in any niche, so you'll never struggle with content ideas. Just go back to Maxfusion, click new project, select flows, and open a new flow. Click this plus icon and select research. You can choose between the meta ads and TikTok research tools. I'll go with TikTok. I'll just type in hoodie. Here you can even select the video country and other options like sorting the videos based on likes, relevancy, or recency. I'll go with the most liked and hit search. And in less than a minute, we get the most viral UGC videos on this topic. We can see the exact views, likes, comments, everything. And that's not it. Once you find a viral video you like, you can save it, then tap the plus icon again, select research, then content analyzer, connect this video to the analyzer and run it. And just like that, we get a full video outline. Now we can take this back to Claude, grab this prompt from my vault, drop it into Claude, and attach the video outline text as well. Now, let's say we want this video to feature our product instead. So in the brackets, just describe your product and hit send. In less than 10 minutes, we get a viral UGC video remake made just for our own product. So here was the original video.
You know when a hoodie just hoodies and it hoodies exactly how you want it to hoodie? This hoodie does exactly that.
And here's what we got.
Okay, so you know when a top just sits right? Like it drapes exactly how you want it to drape? This one does that. Plain white, cropped at the hip, ribbed neckline, raw hems, no graphics, just a tiny label at the back. I'm obsessed.
I love how it took the actual storytelling from the original video and applied it to a slightly different product. And everything looks super realistic, the actual skin texture, the movements, the actual product, the background. This Omni model really does the job well. Seems like this AI world is moving at a crazy speed. And thankfully, tools like Maxfusion really makes this experience better, especially now when they have released their Claude MCP, which comes with all of these pre-made skills right when you install it. And big shout out to Ori Silver. He's constantly posting threads on X breaking down new UGC formats using Maxfusion and Claude MCP. Definitely worth a follow if you want to stay ahead of this stuff. The link for Maxfusion and all of the prompts I used throughout this video is in the description below. And if you want to see how I create viral UGC carousels using GPT Image 2, you can watch this video next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.